All right, let's deal with communication. Over here on the left, you will see there's an option for communication. We've got the message center, we've got a recipient log, and then a sent message log. We'll take a look at all three. When we click on message center, we're going to see here messages that have been distributed. You see all items, process alerts, announcements. So a school could send school announcements through this platform if they would like to. They could send district announcements as well. So any kind of announcements that need to go to just teachers, just staff, just parents, just students, or all the above, or any subgroup, they can do that with this platform. So let's take a look at how to send a message. Again, different users at different levels of access are going to have different privileges. Click on New, and I have the option to send a class message, grades message, missing assignment message. I'll say I'm going to post a class message, and this is where there could be a little bit of overlap with Canvas. I don't know that I would necessarily recommend sending messages in Canvas sometimes and then in Infinite Campus other times, because students really need to have a consistent place that messages are being delivered, from my opinion. Okay, we've got in here user group. Who do I want to send this to? So I'm just going to say users. They don't have a template in here available, so I'll skip past that. I have the options of how do I want to send this. Inbox and email. So inbox is going to be just an Infinite Campus, and then you can send it to their registered email address. Do you want to send it to their phone or text message if that's available? You've got reply email, which is going to be your email address that's created in Infinite Campus. I don't know if the school district is going to use our Gmail accounts or if these are going to be accounts created automatically within Infinite Campus. That I'm not entirely sure. Canvas has the same system where we have specific email addresses with them as well. You can say when you want to deliver it. Whether or not there's going to be caller ID. Again, some of these options could be changed for our district. What's the message? I'm just going to say test message. I could choose to record if I have a microphone, or I could add a previous recording, or add an attachment here. So this is a test message. And then I have the option here to test to see if it works, which will send, I believe, just to the teacher. We can save it, or if we think we're going to send this type of message frequently, we could say save as and reuse it later. I'm going to say save. And it says Infinite Campus recommends not exceeding 140 characters, as this may result in multiple messages being sent to recipients in random order. Okay, noted. I will choose close. And this says you are now leaving this page if you continue. Okay, hold on one second here. Okay, I see what I did here. Since I did choose the text message option, or SMS, I do have to put a message down here. So if you don't choose text messaging, that's not going to even be a problem. Choose next. And then it says who are the recipients going to be. So this is where you can go in and choose specific classes by, in our case, it'll be grading periods. But which class do you want to send it? Maybe it's all of them. This could be a reminder for something upcoming, or fees or things that are due, permission slip forms. I'm going to say students and choose next. And then it's going to kind of give you a summary of everything you've agreed to. You can double check to see if that's right. And then when you're ready, you can choose send. There we go. And again, this is a demo website, so I don't know if we're going to see anything pop up here, but we're going to find out here. All right, it does say the message has been sent successfully. It lets you know what was sent. So 93 individuals received it. 87 do not have a device, which I expect with a demo course. 2 text messages or voicemails were sent. All right, press close, and that is how we would send a message to a class. Okay, also under communication, I can see a recipient log. And so with the recipient log, I can go through by student. You can see this is the same student being chosen. I can see if I've ever sent a student a message. So in order for that feature to really work, you have to really go up here and choose which student you want to see, and then it will automatically switch over to this box. So once you have the recipient log page loaded, you can easily switch between students and see whether or not you've sent them a message. Okay, lastly, we've got the sent message log, and this is going to show, there's my message I just sent a minute ago. You can see it says in progress because it does take time for these servers that run these websites to process the data and then to use whatever services they use to distribute the data. So it can take time, but this is a good place to go and check the status of your messages. And then you can see this one here did successfully send, and I can go in and actually see that data and who I sent it to. All that good stuff is there. Okay, that is communication in Infinite Campus.